Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So, follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully, you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We are going to be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames and framing a view for 14 December, that is Monday. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list as well. But first, I'm going to be telling you about what is digital trading floor. So you just have to type in your web browser www.digitaltradingfloor.org, and once the website opens, you would be able to see all our recent blog posts, and you just have to click on this icon, access digital trading floor. Then you would be able to see two options. One box would be telling you about what is digital trading floor, and other option would be for its subscription. So I broadcast my trading live stream every day, Monday to Friday, from 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. So in order to access the 6 hours of live private stream, you just have to click on our Samco franchisee referral link. As you all know, we are authorized business partner of Samco. So you just have to register your account by entering your name, email, and mobile number. And once your trading and demat account with Samco is created using our Samco franchisee referral link, you would be able to access digital trading floor for free for 3 months. So you would be able to access our private live stream in which you would be able to see me live trade in my own account. Coming back to Nifty options open interest analysis. So the max pain level has shifted from 13,400 to 13,500 level for 17 December weekly expiry. So if market was to expire on 17 December at 13,500 levels, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses, theoretically speaking. And if we see the overall open interest data, you will see that more amount of calls have been written versus puts. So almost 2 crore 51 lakh shares of calls have been written versus 2 crore 27 lakh shares of puts. And if we see, highest amount of calls have been written at 13,600 strike and 13,800 strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of open interest is at 13,300 strike and 13,200 strike. So it gives us a broad trading range of 13,800 to 13,200 for 17 December weekly expiry contract. And if you were to see what happened on Friday, you will notice that almost 1 crore 7 lakh shares of calls were written on Friday versus 89 lakh shares of put. And highest amount of calls were written at 13,600 strike followed by 13,700 strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of puts were written at 13,300 levels and 13,200 levels. And 13,300 calls saw their open interest decrease by almost 1 lakh 20,000 shares. It could be potentially due to the in the money call option buyers may potentially have booked their profits, and 13,300 call writers may have potentially booked their losses at the same time, which led to this reduction in open interest at 13,300 strike. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, you will see that market is under control of buyers on the monthly time frame above 13,062 levels, which was the monthly open. So it is above currently the open, hence this is a green candle implying that on the monthly time frame market is under control of buyers. And if we see the weekly time frame, it was also under control of buyers as market was trading above its open 13,264. And if you see the daily time frame, this week, as long as market was above both the monthly and the daily open, we had a situation of full time frame continuity in which all the time frames were under control of buyers, which resulted in aggressive buying. That is, buyers were aggressive in lifting the offers. And here you can see, although if we see the structure from 27th November till 9th December, it was trending up with higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows. On 10th December, we finally broke that structure. So we formed a lower high and a lower low. However, if you see on Friday, market has made another higher high and a higher low. So again, it's in an uptrending structure. So based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for 14th December, that is Monday. Above 13,513 levels, market can trade towards 13,579 levels, 13,627 levels, and potentially 13,687 levels. Below 13,425 levels, market can trade towards 13,402 levels, 13,354 levels, and potentially 13,294 levels. And neutral price range is going to be 13,513 to 13,425 levels, in which conservative traders can refrain from making any trades, and aggressive traders can even look for selling opportunities below 13,513 levels. Now we are going to be analyzing our stock watch list. The stocks that we have chosen are Bharti Airtel and Cummins India. And Bharti Airtel is an inside candle, so we'll look for buying opportunity above 508.6 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 497.2 levels. And in between the high-low range, we would not be making any trades on Monday. And Cummins India is again an inside candle. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 593.4 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 582.55 levels. And in between the high-low range, we'll refrain from making any trades in Cummins India. So as you all know, inside candles are formed when there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and sellers. So whichever direction it breaks out to, we would be trading in that direction. Before ending this video, I like to summarize that we are in a broad range of 13,800 to 13,300 levels based on the overall open interest data. Above 13,513, we can trade towards 13,579 levels, 13,627 levels, and potentially 13,687 levels. And below 13,425 levels, we can potentially trade towards 13,402, 13,354, and potentially 13,294 levels. And max pain for 17 December weekly expiry has also shifted upwards to 13,500 level from 13,400 levels. And our stock watch list comprises of Bharti Airtel and Cummins India. And these are inside candles, so we'll look for breakout in either direction of the high-low range of Friday to get into a position. If it doesn't break its Friday's high-low range to either direction, then we'll not be making any trades in these stocks. Finally, I would like to thank you all for watching this video, and I would request you to see the description section of this video. There you can find links to our recent blog posts, and do check out our recent blog posts where we have discussed what is likely to happen in Nifty in the next week. And apart from that, there would be coming a video right now where we have discussed the macro view of December. So do also check out the video, and I would request you to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. And have a great day.